Hey, how's it going? I'm sitting here in the dark in my living room. Apologize for the audio quality. I'm just sitting here on my laptop and I was goofing around in Fusion. I got an email a couple days ago about my account being enabled for collaborative editing now, and it kind of freaked me out a little bit. And well, that notification didn't freak me out a little bit. But when I went into Fusion and I was looking at my whole library of designs, I was like, what happened here? So let me show you what I saw, what I learned, and maybe you won't freak out like I did. Let's let's get into it. Okay, so here's my Fusion. So I went in, I've been goofing around with these sync strainer designs, and I was navigating my data panel here. And by the way, this little icon right up here next to where it says Team Hub, if you have that little icon, you have the collaborative editing enabled. And apparently that's being rolled out for all users. And I don't know if it includes free accounts or not. I've been paying for a couple of years now, but regardless, if you have this enabled now on your account, if you look at your designs, there's no version numbers here like we're used to. And so if I load my little sync strainer here. I click down and I don't have any version history showing up here. So I panicked a little bit. I started Googling before I spent a minute. If I would have just taken a breath and looked closer at the user interface, there's this little icon here. If you hover over it, it says history. So we didn't lose our version. So I calmed down when I saw what was going on here. And this is where your version history is now hiding. So you get a decent dialogue, pretty easy to navigate. It just takes a few more clicks to get here, but it's grouped by date. So you can see as I worked on this back in late November, early December, and then within each date, if you got multiple saves, it collapses in here. So that's where your version history is hiding. So it's really all I wanted to share. And yeah, don't panic like I did. It was kind of silly. I guess the one thing I will point out, I did take a screenshot here of my email, a little jumpy. So yeah, my hub has been updated to collaborative editing, and you click Learn More, and it takes you to the nice documentation that Autodesk has for Fusion and explains all about collaborative editing, and you can read all about it. But I didn't find one mention of the user interface change. So that's what got me kind of going a little bit. And then I came back and started looking around, and then I discovered this. So I'm starting to babble like I often do. I apologize for that. But anyway, I wanted to share this and hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day whenever you're watching this. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.